Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS. Killer car, guys. Nice little history on this car. Matter of fact, there's a write-up in the trunk on the car. I bought the car from a buddy of mine, Joe, that he's out of Alabama. He's bought quite a few cars from me. I actually just bought a couple of cars from him. But killer car, man. I believe it's an 8-year-old body-up restoration with 1,500 miles on it. Beautifully done. I believe in the little write-up I just read, it would be a 4-owner car. It is a original Monaco blue. This is the original color combination, blue on blue. Really nicely done. It's got some upgrades. It was a factory automatic car. It's an original 409 car. It's got the QG code on it. And the guy breaks down all the casting numbers and everything in his little write-up. But he changed it to a 4-speed, but he did it correctly. It's got all the correct Muncie 4-speed stuff that we would have had in '63. They upgraded the brakes, it's got air, but just a wicked cool car, man. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Great car. I mean, really hits the road nice. If you're looking for a nice '63 Impala, you are going to love this car. Chrome and stainless is nice. I saw a couple little marks I'll show you in the hood. There's a little blemish in the hood. There's a couple on the side I'll show you. But really nice car. The chrome and stainless is nice. Got a couple little wear marks in it. But I'm telling you, man, great car. Beautiful paint, good, solid, straight, original North Carolina car. Chrome and stainless is in great shape. So a couple little, like I say, just little, and it's nothing. You're not painting it, you're not doing anything like that. I'm just showing you the blemish. It's got a couple little blemishes in the car. As soon as you get back, Dale, you can open that hood. I've ordered new floor mats for it. I was hoping that the floor mats would come in. I hate the floor mats in this car. Gorgeous car, though. Again, I saw a couple. I want to show you the so I don't forget. A couple little marks. But there was another one somewhere. But it's just little, like I say, just little stuff. I've ordered a touch-up pen for it. Back to where I was. Great car, though. The body lines are great. Look how nice that is in the back. I mean, if you've looked at these cars, you know, man, a lot of this stuff is just beat to death. Look how nice it is on this car. Bumpers are nice and clean. Pretty car. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are Coker Classic white wall radials on it. Of course, it's got the SS hubcaps. Great car. We've got the original fender skirts for it. Again, look how nice all this stuff is. It's got drum brakes, but they've upgraded the master cylinder to power, and also to the dual line master cylinder. Like I say, upgraded some stuff in here. So if you know much about these cars, you know that they're hard. You could get a 409 in any Impala. You can't even really prove if these cars are real super sports, right? It wasn't through the VIN. The only way I'm going to call a car matching numbers if there's a VIN on the block. This doesn't have a VIN on the block, which they all didn't have that. It does have like I say, the correct QG code, which would have been a 409 340 horse 1963 engine with an automatic. This car did come standard with a power glide. They upgraded it. They upgraded it to the 4-speed. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, but he breaks down in his little write-up the casting number. The intake's correct for 63 409. The exhaust manifolds are correct. Power steering. Again, you can see they've upgraded the master cylinder. They've upgraded it to air. Those are aluminum valve covers. The originals are in a box in the trunk. Great car. Beautiful, beautiful car. And again, when he restored the car, he went all through the front end. Matter of fact, he puts a little listing in there of everything he replaced. But he completely went through the suspension, upgraded that. And again, all this stuff is original. That tells me this was always a nice car. Door skins are nice and clean. Now all this is, it actually came original, I think, with cloth interior. This is all brand new stuff. Bucket seats, console. Again, he put the correct shifter and everything in it. It's factory tach and it's got the factory dash in it. The tach is the one thing Joe told me that's a little bit of a pain in the butt. Kind of works when it wants to. I don't know if you can see it. 1543 on your odometer. Dash is really nice. Even the little cold light in the dash works. It's got a retro style radio in it. The original's in the trunk. Air blows nice and cold. You can see that steering wheel is really nice. Hate the floor mats. Got brand new ones on the way. The blue rubber ones. Not a fan of carpeted mats in 4-speed cars. They had the tendency to slip around and I think cause accidents. Factory jack and spares in the trunk. Sorry guys, a little dust right there, that's all that is. Original fender skirts, see these are the original valve covers. You can see it's all spackle painted in the trunk. Original radios in here. These are all your original owner's manuals. And then like I say, it's pretty cool. This guy did a write-up, so you can starts breaking down the casting numbers and everything, but it gives you a complete history on the car, which I thought was pretty cool. Not yet, Dale. Everything opens and closes real nice. Clean underneath, not overdone. It's not like it was a frame off or anything like that, but still very nice and clean underneath. Big fan of this car, man. They put the aftermarket seat belts in it. I know people find this hard to believe, but these cars didn't come standard with seat belts. Seats are really nicely done. They repadded them, refoamed them, did a nice job with that. That's your little plug-in for your Retrosounds radio. You can go ahead and fire it up now, Dale. Door handles, like I say, they're original. All this trim and stuff, I believe, is all original stuff. These may be new. That A-pillar chrome is nice. Really? Good air on there, Dale. Like I say, the air blows cold. Go ahead and cut the air off, Dale. want a nice cruiser, I think you're gonna love it. Yeah, tach. Like I say, it kind of works when it wants to work. Fuel gauge works. The little cold light works up in there. Parking brake works. Doors open and close real nice. Put it reverse, Dale. Go on the backup lights. See a little interior lights work. Radio. I didn't turn it off. You're gonna have to wait. There it goes. Oh, you might have changed the. Just turn it to the right. See what it. Oh yeah, you're on bass. So, but it all works. No, you're just changing the bass right now. You gotta push it again. Push it in. See what it does. No. Yeah, you're in a mode, but it works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep up with us. He's coming out hot here.